Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is September the 1st. So I will only just give an update here on the long-term outlook of one of the silver stocks, one of the bigger silver stocks here, Pan American Silver, PAAS. Here we got the monthly time frame. So we're labeling this move up in 2008. This is the all-time high, $44 right here as a with one grand super cycle, and then we got this major bearish market all the way to 2015, okay, which ended with 2 in the grand super cycle in a clear 3 waves here at 589, right? And then now it has started to rally higher again. Now we are technically still sort of within the range, right? But we are looking for a major breakout eventually, right? We are looking for a major breakout. Now currently we finished 1 of 3 here, 2 of 3 here. Now starting the next with 3 of 3, and this is the monthly time frame, by the way, right? And here's the daily time frame, which is the same but in a lower time frame. So we're showing this 1 and 2, which is the same 1 and 2 here. So we're going to be focusing primarily this area in the daily time frame, right? So this area here, and moving up higher pretty strongly in an impulse, in a nest, 1 2 1 2 here. So expect acceleration to the upside in a with 3 of 3 of 3. So this is a very powerful move right now that we are in right now. And now because it is such a powerful move in a higher time frame, I think you should try to hold it as long as possible, right? Now depending on how far is your time horizon, you could be aiming for 1 2 3 here, which is this area 3690 47, okay, or this is the 100% extension area, which is the minimum expected target here. You can also look for this 1 2 300% extension area here, 4680 68 as the next potential target level. So it depends on how long are you willing to hold it, but this should be able to give you a pretty decent return here in the Pan American Silver. Okay, so yeah, so overall we definitely like more upside, and we continue to favor looking for buying opportunity anytime it pulls back in 3711, right? So this one was the last time it gives you a chance here in a 3 weeks pullback here, ABC, right, hitting 100% perfect, and then rally again. So yeah, so if you see something like this again happening, then yeah, continue to be accumulating the stock here as we are breaking into a very powerful wave 3 of 3 right now. All right, so we don't cover this, but from time to time we will be just doing special stock as you know, just to give an update. We do cover silver though in our service, right? We do cover silver and gold, and also gold ETF and so on. So if you want to check the other instrument, you can always check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.